Hi everybody, Karen here from Big Cartel's support team, and I'm excited to show you some changes we've made to our Luna theme. We're here in the design area, but before you update your current version of Luna or switch from another theme to Luna, you'll want to save your design images, like your slideshow images, since those are lost once you switch. You'll also want to save any code changes you've made, and if you have a color scheme that you really like, you can make a note of your color choices so you can easily add all that back in. When you're ready, just hop over to the Themes section, then scroll down to find Luna, and click to get the update. Next, click the wrench icon to get back to the built-in design tools, and you can start by re-adding your images. The header image, background, and slideshow images are all the same, and you can manually add your color codes back into their corresponding field. You can also make changes to your font if you need. You'll notice that Luna now has a field for announcement text. So maybe you're running a sale or offering free store-wide shipping. Well, you can add that to the announcement text field here, and it will show up across the top of all pages in your store. Moving on down the list, you still have the option to choose how many navigation links you'd like and how many featured products you'd like on the home page. And we've added the ability to choose how many products you'd like per row. The default setting will display 3 products per row, but you can change that to display 1, 2, or 4. So let's see how 2 looks. Nice. Next up is maximum products per row mobile. On mobile, Luna now matches the desktop version, so you're going to see the same layout on mobile as you would on desktop. And this setting lets you choose how many products you want per row on mobile. The default is 2, but you can change that to 1 if you'd like instead. And you won't see this change in the design preview now, but you'll see it on mobile when you actually save your changes. Products per page is the same and pretty self-explanatory. You get to choose how many products you'd like to display per page. Now, product list info is a new feature that lets you decide whether you'd like the product name and price to display on rollover or under the product image. The default is on rollover, like that. But you can change it under image, and then the product name and price will display here under your product image. The price display setting is the same, and by default your price will just display the currency sign, but you can change that to display both the currency sign and code if you'd like. Next up is product page layout, and that affects the individual product pages. So let's click into a product to see the difference here. Now the default is to have the product images positioned on the right of your product info, but you can click to have your images on the left instead, and that'll swap the positioning of your image and info like this. See? Show related products is also new with this update, and by default it will be enabled. If you scroll down the product page, you'll see other products assigned to this same category that this particular product is assigned to. So this sweatshirt is assigned to the apparel category, and since these 2 t-shirts are also assigned to the apparel category, they're going to be down here in the related products area. If you don't want to display related products, you can just click here to disable that feature. Now the rest of Luna's design tools are the same. The search field, inventory bars, share buttons, and all the social media links are all the same. So let's click Save. And let's hop over to the storefront to see how it looks. And there it is. The announcement text here at the top. I've got my products in row of 2, and my name and price are underneath the product images. Let's click into one of these, and we've switched the image to be on the left with the product info on the right. Let's scroll down to see those t-shirts under related products. There it is. So lots of fun additions. Have fun playing around with Luna's new features, and if any questions come up, then just send us an email at support@bigcartel.com, or if you're logged into the admin, you can click the speech bubble at the bottom right to send us a message that way, and we are always happy to help out.